ka inspire relations and communications ka jia trailang bat ka mekhle is control society kan pelang ya ka rock band music contest pan pasothu ikipai ba kumno banyada na ka Jingpang HIV AIDS ya gani ka competition an pelang pa waindo community hall hakalai pho tarik mata ubnai ba de ka grand finale pan an pelang haman polo haka shatarik ubnai banwan ya gani le thu do W Alexander Khatngor ubadei unong seng jong kani ka kanhun nakateka audition and jet nyotli ki ban nakamata ka grand finale yakaba on pelong hakateka shitarik usamla khat kongor ulong baki ban ki deban long tang hapo ka jela baki deban dan ru yaka team song jongki helor ka Jingpang HIV but AIDS ka jing smu jukani ka competition ka long ban penslori ki pai ba baki nei ban tas yarade hage jika tas yakani ka Jingpang nam ta shu shu ulong ru kandi ka competition ka long ban simru ikila jing Sumar ki bamron kam siu pisa pan penduru ya ka jingya snopers sono silang ya ki bri ka bdan ya ka Jingpang ulong sushuru bah ka competition kin don ru kin ora ba paunam jo ka jela kum ka lili sawian ba DJ Brian kum ta ka sang ka wer ru ya ki pat ki para Raymond soma ba kanya agi jing ka salang ya ka program abala kali la ka jing safrang jo ka Jingpang HIV AIDS kamjor de lamba ka jing suka pathar ba khamlo nu ka jing yada ne ka jing jur pala ka jing di drugs na kaliang jo ka makha is control society kila juba kina sam ke bladab kajing saprang jo ka Jingpang ka dei bai lamba ka chung song kha song man pathar rei mata par kal kham kiu shu shu de lamba jo ka jing inject ye drugs kinong yalam jika max ka bakan bikina to khobwa kle thuru bakan ka Jingpang ka saprang lu shiki pai ba barkat kum ka report bikle lom hadu ubnai risau mentau snam kidan hadu praja laispa prap songut kibla yo ni khoyak Jingpang bat nakini tang sanhajar news pa live kundai kiwan sha Sumar kat ba kumba arjan got epat ki kampa Sumar setia
inspire relations and communications. Along with Middle Control Society, we like to present an event. We call it the multimedia red ribbon superstar icon. And this event is actually a rock band music contest that we have been organizing for the last 12 years. So this will be the 12th edition of the Meghalaya icon. And this event will be held, the auction will be held on the 30th of this November at Community Hall, Wyandotte, Shillong. And the grand finale will be held at Puro Ground on the 1st of December. So that is the event. And this event actually is a program which is actually jointly organized by Inspire Relations and Meghalaya Control Society to capitalize the music scene here in Meghalaya to actually promote HIV and AIDS awareness. So this multi-day campaign that we are organizing, we are trying to bring in the message that the message on HIV and AIDS awareness and that people should be safe from HIV. Okay, should be safe from HIV. At the same time, we're trying to also promote young talents so that they also get a platform, and through the music we can actually impart the knowledge and awareness on HIV/AIDS. So I would like to hand over this to Ajoy, who is from the Middle East Control Society, to speak about this event and the objective of the event.
Thanks so much, Alex. So basically, the Meghalaya, I think everyone knows about it. Meghalaya, because it's almost a household name when it comes to the rock competition or maybe a music competition. So basically, the Red Ribbon Superstar Meghalaya icon is actually a multimedia campaign, conducted by the northeastern states. Like when we talk about northeastern states, that covers Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Arunachal, and Tripura, including Meghalaya. This every agenda to encourage awareness, education, and of course, like support for the issues relating to HIV and AIDS. This particular program, the Meghalaya that we organize every year, is actually targeting the youth group of age 15 to 29. Because when we look at the age group, this is the most vulnerable when it comes to HIV and AIDS. So we're using this platform actually to create more awareness, to generate more awareness to the youth in particular. And of course, this year actually we also have a theme for it. That also working with Inspire Relations. We've come up with the theme Harmony in Awareness, Uniting Voices Against HIV and AIDS. So we're using music as a platform. We're giving the platform to the youth to come up with solid lyrics like in relation to HIV and AIDS. They will have a theme song on HIV and AIDS, which is very, very crucial for this competition. When we talk about the multimedia campaign Meghalaya Icon 2023, they will not only be judged based on the music capabilities, but they'll also be having an interactive session where they'll be judged on the knowledge of HIV and AIDS. So besides that, like Alex said, we'll be having the auditions on the 30th of November and the grand finale, which will coincide with World AIDS Day on the 1st of December at programs. So I think this will be intimated a little bit later. So now, to highlight more of the program, I'd like to hand it over to Inspire Invitations. That's a huge number. So nakandi pada kiba watch kama shimini treatment pada kiba live on the RT pada kiba sanaja news pa live kena. The film pada nakati kiba praja tam the watch noitan sanaja tam. At least nakati kuma arajatam kitang kiklam watch kama ban shimini kadawai. So they're still putting a lot of people at risk because they're not taking the treatment. So majority of them look because we always get this cases we always get excuses for either there's financial constraints and treatment. Sumar I divided the program in Sumar district hospital. So it's free of cost. So from our level, we try and level best bring one killing one extra money. Begin Shinaka, Sumar.
Intervention projects ke bahawa implement bagi high-risk groups lah. Dia bagi orang high-risk groups, ni teri bagi di female sex workers, ni teri bagi di MSN, mental health sex women, then transgender, also with the injecting drug users, including the female injecting drug users. The previous years, if you are talking about 8 years, 5-6 years back, ini ka transmission kan khamjuri pada gini sex workers mo ada ni bagi data. But now in the last 2 years, it is an area of concern. Transmission even among the injecting drug users, kalau khamkiyo po masalah ni, especially when we have district police cases, West Hills, East Hills. Kita ni project ibangya, try baham ta injecting drug users. We don't have a harm reduction program. We distribute both fresh needle syringes with the needle syringe exchange program. Then we also have our opioid substitution therapy program or oral substitution therapy. Kita juga buat ni, yang injecting habit jadi kelakuan habit ni tawai. We are trying very hard to control ni prevent HIV transmission among the injecting drug users population and also among the drug user population. Office
Lima apa nama kalau support the population tu, kalau support the population, di nampak berbagai data, ada ngekeren di high risk groups kita tidak nampak berjalan ini kita minta apa, terus patah mau di high risk groups bagi macam kita HIV positive di general population ni dia lang kamu. Kalau kita lagi ipin pada overall data ini route of transmission ni kita akan pada kamu ni nak sexual, pada kamu ni sexual. Lagi lebih di share of needle syringes kan kamu confine kepada ini anak kita inject terus. Tambah berarti kalau kajing transmit dan juga kajing spread juga HIV infection. Nak ini kita harus cepat secara population. Program apa? We distribute fresh free needle syringes yang kita bawa bagi not injecting habit. Makanya iba ada yang fresh needle syringes, ke share syringes. Dengan bagi share syringes, karena aku very concerned juga rise of transmission of HIV among the injecting drug users population. Anda melihat seperti mana orang jangkit juga hepatitis B, hepatitis C infection itu among the injecting users. Tiada kini di needle syringes macam apa ini kini juga baterai bagi kongka BH, kongka foundation, kongka ini itu bukan juga baterai yang kini district berbeda. Kita kini project ini IT ya project atau di staff ni ai atau ke budget jika di strangers tinggi le pan ai di aspek ke demand jadi di ba injet kata ba gua ba ngimla akan oi ke gua ke jadi kalau bang ikwa pakai light dengan di injet drugs ikwa akan light dengan jadi drugs ni gini ulang di pan di ikwa ke tidak ki ya kapag appreciation dari strangers dan bikin reuse dan choose kung tama lagi di reason is kitchen tidak pada paham reduction program kapag i-distribute free dari strangers yung kita kaya students exchange program. Di ko po kumade, di ko po apat pati na Jingpang habit kailangan pa may mga computer substitution.